Thinking of downloading a free separation template to save some money? It seems like a simple solution, but in Australia, relying on free templates can leave you exposed to legal and financial risks. Under Australian law, property settlements and financial agreements following separation need to meet strict legal standards to hold up in court. Many free templates are either too generic, missing key clauses, or don't align with Australian family law requirements. Here's the issue. For a separation agreement to be legally binding, it must comply with Section 90C, 90D or 90UD of the Family Law Act. This means the agreement must be in writing, signed by both parties, and accompanied by a certificate of independent legal advice for each party. Free templates often ignore these requirements, leaving your agreement unenforceable. Without a binding agreement, either party can challenge the settlement later, sometimes years down the track, putting your finances and future at risk. At RP Emery, we understand these challenges and have created lawyer-reviewed templates tailored specifically to Australian family law. Our separation agreement kits ensure your documents meet all legal requirements so you can create a binding financial agreement that protects your interests and minimises stress. Our kits also include step-by-step instructions so you don't have to guess what to do next. And if you're unsure about anything, you can rely on our resources or speak with us to complete your agreement with confidence. By investing in a properly prepared and legally sound agreement, you can avoid future disputes that could drag you into court, protect your financial security and peace of mind, move forward with confidence, knowing your agreement provides the certainty you need. Don't leave such an important decision to chance with a free, generic template. Take control of your separation the right way. Visit RP Emery today to explore our trusted separation agreement kits tailored specifically for Australian laws. Secure your future and avoid unnecessary stress. Get started now. Visit financialagreements.com.au